Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. So my group is Group 4 and I am Nor Afika Balkis binti Sulaiman. We will be presenting our group presentation and the name of our program is Better Skills, Better Chances, Say Yes to Preparation and No to Regrets. So for the introduction, our group will conduct an online talk that will be organized to help the future graduates of UTM in the preparation for interviews, such as for job seeking or internships. From the conducted survey that we made, it can be concluded that students are quite wary on how they should prepare themselves to transition from a student into a working adult. It was also noticeable that the future graduates have an issue mainly with their communication skills and their self-confidence. Hence, the importance of this talk is to enhance the skills to help our future graduates. So as introduction, meet our team members. I'm the director, Norafika Bagis Sulaiman, and our vice director, Nur Izzati Aslan. Our treasurer, Yasmin Zulaika Zulkifli, secretary, Siti Aisha Solha binti Hasnan, and our activity leader, Wan Muhammad Alimin bin Wan Abdul Razak.
Graduate attributes that students able to enhance from this talk is firstly communication skills, as it is essential for students in order to overcome their poor communication skills that often lead to frequent misunderstandings and frustrations. So during interview, candidates' ability to communicate will be evaluated on the basis of their verbal and non-verbal communication skills. So next, most students lack in talking about enterprising qualities in relation to questions about their skills and strengths. So from this talk, they will be able to enhance their enterprising skills, as it is often sought after by employers and yet many candidates overlook their importance.
Moving on to the next one, which is the details of our program. The proposed name that is given to our program is Better Skills, Better Chances, Preparation and Regrets. Our program is going to be held on 10 May 2022 at 1:30 p.m. This program is going to be held virtually on an online platform. The chosen online platform is WebEx. The invited speaker for our program is Marsha Khairunisa. She is a recruitment associate at Unicorn Startup Company. And the organizer of our program is Jawatan Kuasa College Mahasiswa College Tuanku Chancellor.
So next, I will explain about the activity background. Firstly, this proposed activity or program serves as a platform for students or graduating students to prepare themselves for an internship or job interview. So, this program will also be much flexible, especially for targeted participants, as it will be held on Tuesday and online. They will be able to attend a 2-hour talk session with the invited speaker and also have a Q&A session.
Our goal and objective for this event are to help the students prepare for the interview session. Next, we also want to give exposure to the student about the ethics of dressing and speech during the interview session. Besides that, the student also can get guidance on how to make a good resume. The student also can improve their soft skills and increase their confidence when confronted with panels during the interview session. And our targeted participants for this event will be 300 participants, where participation is given priority to 3rd and 4th year students. We are going to invite one speaker from Recruitment Association at Unicorn Startup Company, which is Miss Marsha Khairunisa.
Next one will be our proposed program tentative. Our program will be start at 1:30 p.m. where participants will arrive and register. At 1:50 p.m. will be the arrival of VIPs and speaker. The invited VIPs will be principal and fellows of KTC, and the speaker will be Marsha Khairunisa. At 2 p.m. will be the opening from MC. At 2:10 p.m. will be the dua recitation from the person in charge. At 2:15 p.m., the opening speech from Principal of College Tuanku Chancellor, which is Prof. IR Dr. Shahrul Kamal bin Abdul Rahim, will take place. At 2:30 p.m., the talk session will start and end at 4:30 p.m., where the Q&A session will begin. At 4:40 p.m. will be the closing speech from Program Director, which is Norafika Balkis binti Sulaiman. At 4:45 p.m. will be the souvenir giving ceremony. At 4:55 p.m. will be the closing from MC, and the program will be end at 5 p.m.
Hi, my name is Yasmin Zulaika binti Zulkifli. I will explain for the budget estimation. So, for our program, we got funding from UTM Student Affairs, which are 300 ringgit, and we spend the money for the crystal plug and also for the speaker's payment. Next, I will explain for the monitoring and evaluation. So, this is some of the feedback we got from the participants. All this data were collected from a post-event survey through a Google form. So, all the participants agreed that they obtained a new input from the talk and the program is very effective, especially for the third and final year students. Next, almost all the participants stated that their confidence is increasing after joining our program. And also, some participants said that this program enhances their communication skills more. Lastly, this is some of the feedback that we got from the participants throughout our program. Here we can see that participants were very satisfied with our program. Thank you.
4 million graduates per year. Do you think you have the skills to stand out? So as conclusion, with this program, hopefully you will be able to help the future UTM graduates to solve the issues that they're facing. Through the talk, the future graduates would be able to learn how to properly communicate while improving their self-confidence to embrace adulthood. Better skills for better chances, we say. And that's all from us. Thank you.